I was waiting for this. Waiting for this breakout here out of that range. For those of you that's been watching my thing, my channel, know me and know what I said. I drew the top of the range here. Top of the range, something simple. Draw the top of the range. And I had the bottom of the range. Soon as that was in, I wasn't trading this. This is all noise. That's what I said. This is designed to wash people out. Wash you all out. Then what else did we have? Bearish RSI divergence. Say that again. Bearish RSI divergence. I've been talking about the bearish RSI divergence for a while. No one wants to listen. Everyone's talking about how bullish things are. We're going to 150k. 250k. No, we're not, bro. Not right now. Not right now. On my last video, I said, look at that. Bro, look where we've come from. Let me put it onto the weekly again. I said, look at that. Look at this line here that we've just shot straight up. Look at that GAN. This is a WD GAN swing. WD GAN, real G. Push out like that. And what, you think we're going to take off again after that? No, we're not, bro. Place a bet. That's what this game is. Place your bets. That's all this game is. Where are you going to put the bet? I said, you'd be mad to not put a bet on the monthly 50%. The monthly 50%. I gave that to man. Served it on a plate. I said, you would be mad not to place it on a 50%. 79k. Drew right here. Taken screenshots. Done it all. Okay? You see my trades. 700% up right now. 700% in that move. But it takes time. Waiting. That's why I don't listen to man, you know. You see, when I see certain people talking and saying certain stuff, or sending me things of what other people said and this and that, and my man says that, I know what this is. This is washing out time. And all those people just need audience. They need views. I ain't a part of it. I've seen this way too many times. I've seen this bearish RSI divergence. Look at that here. Look at the RSI right here. Look where my cursor is. Look at this one here. Very high, and in comparison to this one, very low. Look at the price. Much lower down here when we was at 72k, and where did we get to? 107k. Take profits. Okay, if you don't know how to look after your money, someone else will. They will take your money and they will show you how to look after it. 50% bet, 700% up. Okay, and if you know me, you know I'm a man to stagger in, to layer in my bets. So I weren't even able to get in properly on the full power that I was trying to get in on. I wasn't able to get in. Not fully. Not as much as I would have liked for it to bounce down to the 618 or back down to this trend line and then take off. But I'm satisfied because I had to wait it out. And of course, the fear hit 10. 10. When I saw fear on 10, I said, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. At the very least, yeah. And this is how I knew this 50%. This 79k was a good area as well. Let's go to the object tree. Right click, object tree. Gonna back out fib. This is the weekly 50%. Okay, the weekly 50% came at 84k. All right, I bought some down here. I bought some at this weekly. All right, just a tad bit. I saw it come down here. Didn't know if it's gonna stop, but I bought some here. But the 50%, look where it is. That monthly 50% lines up with the weekly golden ratio. It's very likely we're going to get a bounce here. Very likely. That's a bet I'm going to take, and it doesn't matter what fundamentals, what Trump's saying, what foundations doing this, what ETFs launched. For me, I look at the charts and this looks like an area of confluence to catch a bet, and that's what I wait for, and that's what gets me 700%. Okay, cool. Where are we going right now? I don't know. I'm taking profits on 700%. Where are you? That's what you gotta ask yourself. Where are you? Where am I? What do I do now? For me, look at this weekly candle here. It's looking good right now for Bitcoin. If this weekly candle closes up here, this is going to be nothing but people won't even remember this bar. They won't even remember that it was a 10. They will forget about this. If Bitcoin closes above here, okay, if it closes this week above here in this range, closes another one in this area, I like to see 2 afterwards. That's nice. And we're back in this range, this will be forgotten. I guarantee you this will be forgotten and people will forget that this ever happened. Okay. But at the end of the day, for the moment, right now, the week hasn't closed. I take profits. I take 700%. I take it off the table. Right. So that's all I'm going to say for the moment. This is what I've got on the charts at the moment. These are the support levels. Would I go in and jump in on spot right now? Hell no. I wouldn't. Would I be closing my entire spot portfolio down? No. But then again, I'm in a different situation. I was buying down here. All of that. I was buying down here. So Bitcoin dropping down here or dropping down to 50K. I don't care. I'll cop more Bitcoin. Okay, I don't care. But where did you buy? Have a think about that. Have a think about where you bought, what you're in. We've had that bounce now. And if you've managed to stay in this long and you didn't sell anything, maybe it is time for you to, over the next couple of days or something, to have a think about where you want to be placed. Have a look on the right hand side right here. Total Bitcoin's pumping 8%. Total 2, which is ETH included. So it's the altcoins that's pumping a lot. The altcoins is taking a lot of the gains. If you know me and my channel, I don't like to see stuff like that. I prefer Bitcoin to lead first, okay, to prove to everybody that it's a solid rally, then the altcoins. Okay, then the altcoins. I don't like seeing the altcoins pump before Bitcoin, especially on a bounce. The bounce ain't too bad. The bounce is nice for Bitcoin, so that's good. If we close here, that's good. But preferably, and the gap isn't too wide, preferably, I prefer to see Bitcoin. That's just me. But I take my 700%. But then again, guys, what do I know? See you later.